to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today we are installing a Upart wig. Yes, and this Upart wig, I actually made it myself. The hair is from no one other than my hair collection, which I haven't relaunched yet, but don't worry because this will come back. But anyway, this is raw Cambodian hair. I've had this hair for so long. I want to say this hair is about 2-3 years old. It was on another unit and I took it off and made it into a U-part. So this is my final result, and if you want to see how I got to this, then stay tuned. So the first thing that you want to do is when you're installing a U-part unit, mine have combs in it because I just don't feel like, you know, sewing it on. So you want to map out what exactly you want. So I'm doing the middle part. So I'm gonna do my middle part.
I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
To determine if you want to leave out edges around, well, the perimeter, I'm going to, because I like that natural look. I want it to look like it's either my hair or I got a really good sew-in and not, oh, she got a U-part on. So let me push my hair back and
let me get that introduction. First things first, let me get that introduction. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
Okay, so I'm going to do an anchor braid here, an anchor braid here, and then one braid here around the perimeter, going around the back. And then I'm gonna do them like probably like a couple braids, bigger braids in the middle because I'm lazy. Yes, that's the only reason why, because I'm lazy. If I wasn't lazy, I would have did them. But the anchor braids and the perimeter braids are gonna be smaller. Try not to make them too tight if you are using combs in your wigs, because you don't want the tension from the braids plus the tension from the comb to hurt your head and potentially pull out your hair. So try not to make it too tight, but not too loose neither, to where the comb is just pulling the braid apart. So okay, so you get the gist. So I'm gonna come back after my whole entire head is braided. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is braided. I did an angle braid on this side, an angle braid on this side, and 2 perimeter braids, and then I just did 2 big braids in the middle. And yeah, so now I'm about to press this out real quick and then put my wig on, and then we're gonna style it. So
I'm sliding, I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I'm sliding, I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
Pin this back up just so we could pop the wig on. So like I said, mine have combs in it, so there will be no sewing. No sewing, I'm lazy. I don't like to sew. You just stick it in the braids. Just stick it in. So you see why I did the anchor braids. See how close that is? That's pretty darn freaking close. So you just take the other comb, pop it in that perimeter braid. This is what these braids are for. And then the same.
I'm sliding, I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
You see how nice and flat? So now comb your hair over, make sure everything blends. Make sure there's no tracks showing. And then that extra hair in the back that I pulled out, that was good enough for me to cover my back tracks. So now we style. I know it looks like it's not a lot of hair, but it's enough for me, the way I like it. I don't like a lot of hair, and my wigs don't really thin out. I'm doing curls. I was gonna do my bouncy curls, but I don't really want to. I think I want more of a messy, like what they call them, beach wave look. I'm not sure. I'll see. So I'm curling my hair away from my face. Now I see people curl going up. I curl, if I was doing somebody's hair, you would see me hold it like this, but because I'm doing it myself, obviously I don't want to burn myself, so I'm holding it like this. But if I'm doing somebody's hair, I hold it like this. I hate curls that, when people curl hair going up, it never falls right. When after the curls drop, they drop like this. Like your hair, it'll be straight, but then it's sticking out. I don't like that. That's ugly. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. And stop curling from the tips up. That's not how you get your whole. If you want curl, you want to start from the top and work your way to the bottom. I know it's kind of hard for beginners, but you know.
Paper plane, I'm the one paper plane, yeah. Wonder why your girl always your crib and I'm sliding, yeah. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
face all curled and fluffed. How do you, how your girl looking out here in these streets?